Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day1Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day1Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day1Marketing Inc. Enjoy.
Hi, my name is Alex Copeland and I work with Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model team. This is another video in our affiliate tips course. The money is in the list. Now this is probably a phrase that you've heard before, but if you want to become a super affiliate, it's totally true. The money is in the list. You need to wrap your mind around that because it solves one particularly serious problem with internet marketing. The problem I'm talking about is the fact that traffic sources, no matter how awesome, will probably dry up. In fact, traffic sources dry up all the time. You might be getting a massive amount of traffic from a specific traffic platform, and then all of a sudden they change their policies or their terms of service, and what you do is no longer allowed. If you need a good example of this historically, just look at Facebook. A few years back, Facebook was an absolute slam dunk in terms of traffic. You only needed to put up a halfway decent piece of content and people shared it and liked it, and you could pretty much expect a nice steady stream of traffic. Well, unfortunately, not anymore. Facebook figured out a while back that their traffic is actually worth a heck of a lot of money. So they're sending less organic traffic to material being shared on Facebook. So now Facebook is basically pushing you to pay for ads. So a lot of that free traffic just disappeared. Now, what do you think the impact was on affiliate marketers' income? Yeah, you're right, it was an absolute bloodbath. Now, thankfully, there is one strategy that you can use that will help you preserve your income for a long, long time. How, you may ask? Well, create a relationship with your target audience. This relationship with your audience members leads to some sort of emotional connection and investment on their part. They feel associated with you and with your brand. But how do you do this? What's the best way? Well, it's back to the list building. By building a mailing list, you get a chance to communicate with your community over an extended period. You let them know who you are, that you care. You let them know that their feedback matters. You let them know that you have amazing content that solves their problems. The problem with a lot of marketers is they let their website become their brand. That's all it is. That's all they've got. This is a serious mistake because for whatever reason, your users might just not engage with your website. It might be they find it flat. It may not be optimized for tablets or mobile phones, and that's all they use. Whatever the reason may be, do not let your website become your brand and only that. Instead, build a relationship around your mailing list. This mailing list is more portable, it's more versatile, and it's less prone to traffic fluctuations. Of course, as with anything, you're going to have to spend time or money driving traffic to build up your mailing list. But once you get people engaged, this mailing list will be a source of traffic that can help you survive these fluctuations in normal traffic sources like Facebook. This is why you could say the money is in the list. Take care of your mailing list and your mailing list members will take care of you financially.
Wow.